Humhara here from agoodwife.net, and my channel is all about motherhood, homeschooling, natural baking, and cooking, and just all the fun homemaker stuff. But today we're going to be talking about birthing, and specifically natural home births. I am a mama of 3, soon to be a mama of 4, and I've had in total 3 home births. So I wanted to share with you guys everything that I've learned to use throughout that time, and all the things that I've gathered, and just what I'm preparing for this 4th home birth. So just to let you guys know, I did get the bulk of my supplies from Precious Arrows. It is an amazing website where you can go on there and pretty much create your own home birth kit, or if you are working with a midwife and they're associated with Precious Arrows, you can buy their specific kit from Precious Arrows. But since I am not working with a midwife, I just bought their Home Birth Deluxe kit. So I'm going to be showing you guys what came in that kit, and also just showing you what I collected on my own. And I'll also let you know what came in the kit and what I bought personally. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into it. We're going to start off with some of the things that you might need for your bedding. Okay, so in the Precious Arrows kit, I went ahead and got this vinyl mattress protector, and it only comes with one in the pack, and it's just a fitted style sheet to just protect your bed. Any fluids, blood, or anything like that that's going to be happening while you're giving birth. Honestly, this isn't my favorite, so I bought my own, but I'm still going to use this. I'm just going to use 2 just for extra protection. These right here, I'm not sure what these are called. If you know what these are called, you can go ahead and like tell me in the comments. Like these paper sheets, it's very long. Like I have them folded up, but they're very, very long. You just put them on your bed for extra protection. So in my birthing kit, I got these ultra underpads, and these are just like those, I think these are called Chuck's pads, if I'm not mistaken, but they're very long and big, and they basically just absorb, you know, blood and fluids and things like that. And I also put this on my bed, or wherever it is I might be standing, like on my carpet, just to catch the fluids so my carpet doesn't get messed up. And I got 2 of these in the box. Also, I forgot to mention, I'll let you guys know how much it costs, and leave a link in the description below. Okay, they always give a lot of medium-sized gloves, so I got a lot of those. I got, I think, over maybe like 5 pairs, but I think I had some from last time because I didn't use them from my last birth. Also, what I got is a thermometer. This just looks like a normal oral thermometer, and I just got one of those. Okay, and also I got a bunch of these water-based sterile lubrication as well. If your partner, you can realize you're crowning and put this on, you know. I've never used those. It just kind of happens kind of fast. And I also got quite a bit of these alcohol pads. I'm not sure exactly how many comes in here because I have 2 different kinds. I think I have some from my last birth, but it's like over 10 of these little alcohol pads just to sterilize things. In the kit, it also came with some pads, but I don't like their pads really, so I don't even think I put it in my little like labor box that I have over here. I don't even think I put it in there, but it does come with some maternity pads, and it comes also with these 2 maternity knitted underwears. They're like disposable, but you can still wash them and reuse them. I received 2 diapers, but I don't think these are the diapers, but I think I swapped them out for some Pampers newborns. But it does come with like 2 or 3 diapers, if I'm not mistaken. But I think these little diapers I picked up on my own and put them in my birthing box. Normally it comes with 2 cord clamps. I'm assuming because if you're having a twin birth, then you need 2. Last time I didn't use 2, so I have 3 now, you know, so I just have extra. So it comes with a bulb syringe if you need it. This is a Soothing Afterbirth Sits by Lucy's Garden, and it is so healing and relaxing. It has amazing herbs in it. It is optional, if I'm not mistaken. Like, I think you have to add this as a part of your birthing box, but I could be wrong. If you're ordering the deluxe, it may just come along with it. So the ingredients in it is Celtic sea salt, organic shepherd's purse, organic uva ursi, yarrow, organic comfrey, organic echinacea, purpurea leaf, organic lavender flowers, organic plantain leaf, organic red raspberry leaf, and organic witch hazel leaf and witch hazel bark. So this is really good for helping to soothe that area after birth, and it gives you the directions on the pack. This is really good for making a very concentrated tea, and then putting it in your bath water just enough to come up to like where your pelvis is. And once you've or someone, it definitely probably won't be you who's making this, but whoever is making it needs to understand how to brew tea properly, and then just add it to your bath. And it is really healing for you and your baby to soak in. Quite a bit of other stuff came in this box, and I'm going to show you guys. Before I get to those other things, I'm just going to show you the tinctures that I bought to prepare for afterbirth. So I bought some After Ease from Wish Garden. This is very popular, and it is really good, and it works very well for those after birth contractions. The more children you have, the worse it feels. So this is very important to have more comfort after your labor, especially if you're having a natural birth and you're not trying to have any drugs. You're definitely going to need something to soothe your body after giving birth. Okay, so now we're moving on to witch hazel bark. So I bought some witch hazel bark as a contingency plan, or just to make sure I have something here that will help stop any hemorrhaging that may happen. So I always like to cover my bases with stuff like that. So with my last birth, I did not have any hemorrhaging. I was not bloody at all. Same thing with my second. If I can remember correctly, the only slight hemorrhaging I may have had was with my first birth. But either way, if I didn't experience that, I would still want to make sure that I have some kind of herb or tincture that is to stop hemorrhaging. So witch hazel is a great herb for that. In terms of your tinctures, you have to be very careful to make sure you're buying the right one, because they have witch hazel leaf and then there's witch hazel bark. So for the hemorrhaging, you really want to make sure that your product says witch hazel bark. And I'm gonna put up a picture of the book that I read concerning explaining like postpartum herbs and postpartum healing techniques and stuff like that up here, so you guys can see that. And maybe if you're interested, you can, you know, purchase her book. I forgot the lady's name. She's like, you know, very learned in her practice. So this is awesome. I bought this off Amazon. I'm going to link all the stuff below that I'm talking to you about. So the next thing that I bought for some aromatherapy is this lavender roll-on, and it just helps boost my mood during labor, because sometimes it can get really intense and you just need something to lift your spirits. So I bought this lavender for that. So let's move on to Placenta Ease. This is from Mother Herbal's nutritional supplement, and this is something that I bought also from Precious Arrows. This does not come with the birthing kit. This is something that you have to purchase separately. So I purchased this separately because last time with my birth with my daughter, my placenta took a very long time to come out. It just didn't come out like with all the other births. So I just wanted to cover my bases just in case that happens again. You know, I have something that I can use readily without having to try a bunch of different stuff. What ended up working with that was just doing a yoni steam and having my husband just vigorously massage on my uterus. You know, that worked to just release the placenta, but hopefully this will, you know, if I have any trouble like that, this will clear it up. So this has, what does it have in it? It has Dong Quai, it has blue cohosh, shepherd's purse, and it is a kosher vegetable glycerin base with water. And it's all organic as well. So that's really good to know. Okay, so I have a lot of stuff here that I bought for birthing. And yes, a lot of the stuff I do use, especially these combs. So these are called birthing combs. If you're not familiar with it, or you're like, what is that? I don't know what this is. So birthing combs is basically a practice where you're kind of like redirecting your pain, and they really work tremendously. I wish I would have had this with my first, second births. So they're really, really awesome, and these are just really beautiful. I bought these ones off of Etsy, and it says I can do hard things inscribed in them, and I'm also going to link these below so you guys can go check them out. Obviously the birthing combs did not come in the birthing kit. This Bentadine solution did come in the birthing kit. It's povidone iodine 10%, and this is really just an antiseptic to keep things sterile. I have not used this in birth, but I did use it for perineal spray. I really don't recommend it for that. That's a weird smell. I really don't think you really need that unless you like tore severely or something like that. This did not come in the birthing kit. These are water wipes. These are very small packets of water wipes that I just like to have a birthing and labor box, like an afterbirth box. I could show you guys. It just has like all of my stuff in here, you know, in different sections, like what I need for baby, what I need for myself, you know, that I can just quickly grab or tell my husband to grab for me. So here I got some baby wipes, you know, just in case there's some meconium after birth and the baby pooped. And I could just quickly grab the most cleanest wipes I have in the house, which are these water wipes. So I have this here on standby just in case I need it, like last time I needed to do a yoni steam. Okay, and also another thing that I'd recommend to have postpartum or after birth is a haka or some kind of breast pump, something to catch the milk in, you know. And this is the one that I chose to use because I don't really like breast pumps, so you know, this is the one that I picked up. So also what came in the birthing box is a sitz bath. It comes with the pan to put on the toilet, and this is really, really good to help catch the placenta if you're on the toilet just trying to feel better after the birth, you know. And it also comes with the little water bag and the tube. This is what comes with the deluxe birthing kit from Precious Arrows. If you just get the regular one, I do not think that this comes with it. Okay, so also what came in the birthing kit, but I had to purchase it separately, it just didn't come with it, is this fetal stethoscope to help me keep track of the baby's heartbeat and, you know, listen to the baby's heartbeat, to locate where the baby is so I can know how they're turned. Also what came in the birthing kit is some footprint ink pads and a novelty birth certificate as well. And that's pretty much all that came in there. I'm going to leave the link below so that if there's anything that I'm missing. I know it also came with straws, like 2 disposable straws, but I just didn't show you guys that because it's just like straws. So I'm going to leave the link below so you guys can go check out Precious Arrows and see if that is a natural home birth kit company that you want to work with. It's my second time purchasing a birthing kit from Precious Arrows, and I'm extremely delighted with their service. Super fast shipping. If you want to see a video of me talking about my 3 natural home birthing experiences, just let me know below and I'll be happy to make that video for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end. You are super awesome. If you have any questions for me, go ahead and drop them in the comment section below.